Shriya. Today I wanted to explain about excretory system. And this is the diagram of excretory system. And this is the right kidney and this is the left kidney. And here this is called as aorta. And these are called as adrenal glands. And this is ureter and this is urinary bladder and this is called as urethra. And now I will discuss everything separate and type by type. And now first what are the parts of the excretory system? First, one pair of kidneys, one pair of ureter and one urinary bladder and one urethra. And now first of all we will discuss about kidney. Kidney is close to the dorsal wall. And this kidney has the length of 10 to 12 centimeters. This is 10 to 12 centimeters long and weight is 5 to 7 centimeters and thickness is 2 to 3 centimeters and it is about 120 to 170 grams. And now it is located between large thoracic vertebrae and third lumbar. Kidney, the outer covering renal capsule, a layer of connective tissue, and there is an outer layer called as renal capsule. And next, this internal structure of kidney. This internal structure of kidney is divided into outer cortex and inner medulla. This is called as inner medulla and this is called as renal cortex. And here, this is called as renal pyramid and this renal pyramid, minor calyces and major calyces are called as medulla. And here, this part is called as hilum and the outer part is called as renal capsule and the inner part is called as renal cortex. And these are connected to the ureter. Here this is the ureter and this is the ureter and this is the inner part of the kidney. And next, ureter. This ureter is a duct arising from the kidney to carry the urine to the bladder. Here the urine carries through this ureter which goes into the urinary bladder. And next, urinary bladder. Here this is also called as urinary bladder. Here this is called as internal urethral sphincters and this is called as external urethral sphincters. And now it has a smooth muscle called as detrusor muscle. It contains detrusor muscle. And next, urethra. This part is only called as urethra. This down part is called as urethra. In this urethra, there are two types. This urethra. These urethra are of two types. Male urethra and female urethra. This male urethra has 20 to 25 centimeters longer and it carries urine and semen. And woman has only 2 to 4 centimeters shorter. This one has 20 to 25 centimeters. This carries both semen and urine. But this only carries urine. And this semen and urine will not come at a time but they will come differently one at a time. And each kidney has approx 1 million reference or uriniferous tubule. And thank you for listening. Please subscribe to Grace Shankar.